How to fix DNS server not responding on Windows 11, 10, 7 or 8. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the points to make better Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi connection. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is open or press the button Windows and R to open the Run tab. Once that is done, you will have to search for ncpa.cpl and tap OK. Once that is done, you will see this network connection page. Hereby, you have to select your Wi-Fi connection, right-click on it and select on Properties. This will open the Wi-Fi properties. Now you have to select the fourth option, which is Internet Protocol version 4. Click on its properties and then you have to select Use the following DNS server address. Make sure to use your preferred DNS as Google's or Cloud DNS. For Google, it's 8.8.8.8 and for Cloud, it's 1.1.1.1. Once the changes is made, you can do OK and close the tab. After that, you have to go to the search bar and then search for CMD, that is command prompt. Make sure to run it as administrator and then this will open. Hereby, firstly you have to flush DNS. For that, you have to type the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Once that is done, hit the enter button. This will then flush all the DNS. Now, secondly, you have to register the DNS. For that, type in ipconfig/register DNS. Once this is done, you need to restart your device again. After restarting, again go to the ncpa.cpl page and then right-click on the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure to disable it once and then again enable it. Doing so, you will see that your DNS server issue is fixed. So that's all for today. For more such content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.